My name is Ortiz-Afodorcei. I'm a professor in the Department of Atmospheric and Environmental Sciences at UAlbany. I'm a climate scientist and I study the current, future, but also past climate and climate change in South America, and particularly also in the Amazon basin. I came to UAlbany in 2008, so I've been here now for about 11 years in the Department of Atmospheric and Environmental Sciences. I teach classes on future and current climate change. Currently I teach a course called paleoclimatology, where we look at how climate has varied in the past before humans really had a big impact on climate. In my research, I work in South America, in the Andes, but also in the Amazon. I climb mountains to understand how glaciers grow and shrink and how they respond to climate change. I also do research in caves in the Amazon, where we sample stalagmites that can offer us clues as to how the climate has varied in the past. In my research, I often collaborate with colleagues. Some of that involves working with colleagues around the globe, in North and South America, colleagues in Europe, Asia, Australia. But I also often collaborate with colleagues here at UAlbany, of course within my research group, with my postdoc, with my graduate students. But I also work with colleagues here in the department, for example with Professor Ortiz-Afodorcei, who is a collaborator on a research project we currently have in South America. I also work with colleagues at the Center for International Development at the Rockefeller College of UAlbany, who help to disseminate our message to policy and decision makers and stakeholders. I work with colleagues at the Albany Visualization Institute, UAL, to try to transform our results into visual displays that are easier to understand. I became interested in the wildfires in the Amazon basin because I've worked on fieldwork in the Amazon basin. I've seen the deforestation that is taking place, and I understand what a unique ecosystem the Amazon is, with an enormous biodiversity, a hotspot for biodiversity, and how important it is to protect that natural habitat. Even though I don't do research on wildfires myself, I feel very strongly about the fact that we have to protect this unique environment. And that's why I also became interested in participating in this podcast that UAlbany was organizing about the recent increase in wildfires.